Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is part 2. I started thinking about if they wanted to cut this out, there's a few things you need to know. So I drew the whole thing. And I've got the white in a group, and you can see it's fuzzy. And then I put it on top of the other one. It has to kind of be two groups. So I've got this as a group. Well, I don't. Let's tell you what, let's do this. Let's ungroup it, Control U, and then make sure we select everything this time. And G. Now let's see if it's a group. There it is. So when we bring the white back in and then select both of them, the boundary tool comes open. It's only because there's two groups there. If you just had it solid, it wouldn't do the boundary tool. But see, there's what you get. That's why I decided to do the video. You get a square box around the video because of the blur effect that we put onto it. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this away and we're going to get the blur effect away. Now this should still be one group. So I have to go to Object and Ungroup. And then as soon as I do that, the boundary tool opens up. And see how I put a boundary around it? Now I'm going to nudge that out of the way. I can nudge this back now. And I'm just using my arrow keys. And now I'm going to select this. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour the outside with rounded corners 1/4 of an inch. Look at that. Now I can go to Object and break the contour apart. And we can move it. I'm going to move it up. And if you see, we've got some inner parts. So you can go to Object, break curve apart, and then just grab the outside. I'm going to turn it red because there's going to be a cut line. And look at that. Now we have a offset cut line, much like in the photograph that he originally posted on Facebook. Now this was done, I don't know how they got the different lighting. It looks like it's actually acrylic, but this is the look. And you can see the red really looks like pretty good neon. That almost looks like a curved hot dog with a little shadow to it. So anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.